Ever wondered how much energy your child expends during their physical activities? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Different activities, from running and jumping to dancing and swimming, burn energy at different rates. And the intensity of these activities also plays a role. A leisurely bike ride, for instance, will use less energy than a high-speed sprint. But why does this matter? Understanding energy expenditure helps to maintain a balance between the energy your child consumes through food and the energy they expend during physical activities. This balance is vital for their growth, development, and overall health. For example, a child who expends a lot of energy through intense physical activities may need to consume more food to replenish the lost energy. On the other hand, a child who is less active may need to consume less. So it's clear that different activities have different impacts on energy expenditure, and being aware of this can help ensure your child's healthy development. Now, let's crack the code on how to calculate the energy our food provides. This is done using a device known as a bomb calorimeter. This nifty gadget burns a weighed food sample in an oxygen-rich environment and measures the heat energy generated. But here's the twist. Not all of the energy in our food is available to our bodies. The processes of digestion and absorption aren't completely efficient. And some nutrients, like the nitrogenous part of amino acids, aren't oxidized, but are excreted. So, we express the energy from food and alcohol in values slightly below what the calorimeter gives us. For example, protein, fat, carbohydrates, and alcohol provide approximately 4, 9, 4, and 7 kilocalories per gram respectively. And what about fiber? Well, fiber is an unavailable carbohydrate that resists digestion and absorption, so its energy contribution is minimal. Understanding the energy values of different nutrients is the first step to managing a balanced diet, especially for growing children. But how do we determine the energy value of foods that are a mix of different nutrients, you may ask? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Let's take an egg as an example. A medium-sized egg weighing about 50 grams derives its energy from protein, 13%, fat, 12%, and carbohydrates, 1%. Now, let's talk about alcoholic beverages. Ever heard of the term proof? It's a measure of the proportion of alcohol to water or other liquids in a beverage. For instance, a whiskey labeled as 86 proof contains 43% ethyl alcohol. The energy value of such a beverage can be calculated using a simple equation that takes into account the caloric density of alcohol and the fact that not all of the alcohol in liquor is available for energy. By understanding the energy values in foods, we can ensure our children are getting the right amount of energy from their meals. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to the health of our little ones.